The cat blender video has been making waves on Twitter, sparking outrage and concern among animal lovers and animal welfare advocates. The video, which features a man throwing live cats into a blender and then blending them into a smoothie, is horrifying to many viewers. One of the most disturbing aspects of the video is its viral spread on Twitter. According to data from social media monitoring firm Brandwatch, the video was retweeted more than 10,000 times. In the first 24 hours after it was first posted, it quickly became one of the top trending hashtags on Twitter, with thousands of people expressing their shock and disgust at the video. Animal welfare organizations have also spoken out against the video. The Humane Society of the United States issued a statement condemning the video, calling it horrific and completely unacceptable. Other organizations, such as PETA and the ASPCA, have also condemned the video and called for those responsible to be held accountable for their actions. Despite the outrage and backlash, the origins of the video remain unclear. Some online sleuths have traced the video back to an account on the social media platform TikTok, while others have suggested that it may have been created as a hoax or prank. However, no definitive information has emerged about who made the video or why. Regardless of its origins, the cat blender video has sparked an important conversation about animal welfare and the dangers of viral content. As social media continues to play an increasingly important role in our lives, it's important to remember that the content we share and consume can have real-world consequences. By staying informed and speaking out against animal cruelty, we can work together to create a safer and more compassionate world for all creatures great and small. In conclusion, the cat blender viral video has caused a lot of controversy on Twitter. While it was created as a fake, it has still managed